After running it, it's second down. Back to the running back. And he'll go to the left. That last play was a run. Third down coming up. He'll be brought down, but not before picking up the first down.
Defenses are so aggressive in these situations now. A lot of coaches don't want to turn around and hand the ball off to somebody that's 6 or 7 yards deep. Use your quarterback, run that quarterback sneak, and a good job picking up the first down.
New set of downs now after picking up the first on the ground. They call for the timeout to stop the clock.
Hey everybody, Trey Wingo here. I want to welcome you to Madden NFL 13. You know, this year it all starts with fun, innovative, and perhaps most importantly, realistic gameplay. In today's NFL, as we all know, it's more about passing, so total control passing is being introduced this year. This means as a quarterback, you'll now be able to become a true field general as you'll read and react during every passing play. So you'll have the ability to lead your receiver into space and connect with him on that beautiful deep route, or even deliver a perfect back shoulder throw. Now that level of control is also being brought to other areas of the gameplay. You'll be able to stop a play-action fake early and get rid of the ball if you are being swarmed by pass rushers. And it's more natural than ever to connect to a receiver and leap into the air to make a spectacular grab like Megatron himself. Also, for the first time ever in Madden, true physics are being brought to the field by the game-changing Infinity engine. Now tackles will be dynamic, and every collision is just another opportunity to make